welcome back to my channel School Library. So yeah guys, I hope you all are well. So you may think Raksha is out, but she's not wearing mask. So surrounded me, no one is there. I hope they're silent. Can you hear? So yeah guys, by seeing the thumbnail, I hope you all have got. Today we are gonna make an ancient book which is very old, but we are gonna make it presently. We are gonna make it. So without wasting your time, let me go into the video. Yeah guys, I hope you all liked today's video because it's an ancient book which we can make in the help of jute and the coffee powder. So yeah guys, I hope I just wrote about Varanasi, which is my favorite place. Actually this is my school school activity, so I have done it. So if you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and if you feel this is helpful to someone, please share the video, and if you want to say some suggestion or appreciation, please say in the comment box. So yeah guys, for more updates, please subscribe to our channel School Library. So meet you in the next amazing content. Till then, bye bye, take care.